Hey guys, Mark the Chef here, and we're back in the kitchen with Scott from Welcome Home Beef. He's brought in another beautiful cut of beef, and we're gonna prepare it for you today. So Mr. Scott, glad to have you back. You always bring some awesome cuts. Walk me through this one today.
Hey Mark, I really appreciate you letting us come in today, and I know you're gonna do a great job cooking it. What this is a hanger steak. It's very close to the kidneys, so it gives it a really great beefy color and taste. The way we're gonna prepare it today is for street tacos. Something about that beefy flavor with the cheese and the taco seasoning and the lettuce, it goes really well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice it, we're gonna season it up, and we're gonna let you do your magic.
Awesome, let's get to it.
Okay, we're gonna cut it in half, then we're gonna slice against the grain.
So the slice it the long way.
That's right.
Okay. There's awesome marbling in it. It's gonna melt in your mouth, I can tell.
Now, once you get to this gristle, you just wanna cut that out.
So all this is kind of really chewy parts that is not the best to eat.
That's exactly right. And you're gonna discard this. I'm gonna take this part. Again, a little bit of gristle right here. Gonna come right off with that. So we're gonna go right to that grain again. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna spread these out, put a little coating of olive oil on them, season them really well.
All right, Mr. Scott, you season them up. They smell amazing. This is very, very strong. It's gonna work out perfectly, I think. How exactly would you go about cooking them?
For us, we like to cook them medium rare to medium.
All right, Mr. Scott, these look good. We cooked them for 2 minutes on each side, and then additional 3 minutes flipping them as needed, just to get a little more color on them. So let's let these rest for a few minutes, let the juices disperse, let this cool down. Let's make some tacos.
All right, sounds good. All right, Mark, the great thing about having wonderful beef is you don't need a lot of ingredients or seasonings, really. You basically just get some nice lettuce here, whatever you choose, whatever you like. We like to use this, what we call a heritage blend, and then we're gonna take a nice thick piece of this hanger steak, put on top. We're gonna go with some cheese, and then we've got a little of this nice avocado sauce. And you can pretty much buy this in any grocery store. And there's your street taco, an affordable way to feed a family. When you shop at Welcome Home, you're always gonna get a fantastic cut for a reasonable price.
Yeah, all this talking about has got me hungry. Let's try it.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna grab mine over here.
All right, here we go.
Off the bat, insanely, insanely tender. My mouth just bit straight through it, kind of like it's biting a ribeye or filet. It's incredibly, incredibly beefy. You mentioned it is a semi-active muscle, so which means it has a lot of flavor to it and you can taste it.
Did a great job, Mark. Thank you.
Yes, sir.